In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking on your Wix website. This is an essential process for understanding how effectively your ads are driving conversions, such as sales, signups, or any other key actions you want users to take on your site. First things first, open your Google Chrome browser and log into your Google Ads account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to dive into the area of Google Ads where we can create a conversion tracking tag. This tag is crucial because it's basically a snippet of code that will track specific actions on your website. So navigate to the Tools and Settings menu, then go to the Measurement section and find Conversions. This is where we'll generate our conversion tag. Now you'll need to create a new conversion action. Set it up according to your needs, detailing exactly what kind of conversion you want to track. Once you've filled out these specifics, Google will provide you with a unique piece of code. This is your conversion tracking code snippet, and you want to copy it carefully as you'll be pasting it onto your Wix site in a moment. Next, we move on to the Wix platform. If you haven't already, open your Wix account by navigating to Wix Editor or the Wix dashboard. Here, you'll want to look for the section labeled Tracking and Analytics. This is the area where all sorts of analytical and tracking codes can be added to your Wix site. Once here, you'll find the option to add new custom code. Go ahead and click on that. Now take the Google Ads conversion code snippet that you copied earlier and paste it into the custom code section. Remember, this is where the magic happens. This snippet will be the key to tracking your conversions effectively. After pasting the code, ensure that it's set to load on the correct pages. Typically, you might want this to be on a crucial page like the thank you page, the page a visitor lands on after completing the desired action. This ensures that you're tracking conversions accurately and only when they truly occur. Finally, after setting everything up, the last step is to save and publish your site. This step commits all changes and makes sure that everything is running smoothly in the live environment. Double check that your changes have been saved properly before publishing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've set up Google Ads conversion tracking for your Wix site. It's a straightforward process that enhances the capability of your site to measure and understand user interactions, allowing you to optimize your ad spends and improve results. If you have any questions or run into any hitches, the community and support resources for both Google Ads and Wix are always a great place to seek more help. Thanks for watching, and good luck with gathering those valuable insights.